Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we're going to be talking about some of the biggest holes that you can have in a water damage restoration business. You must have a form that captures every single thing, all of the questions. Your name, your phone number, how'd you hear about us, what is your relationship to the property. There's a series of questions that you should ask. So we did this, and we did it with paper at first, and then we switched from paper, and then we built software to do it. You need a solidified customer intake form where you have mandatory fields, and they cannot move another inch until you do that. That's why I give my clients now. So if you don't have it, you want it, and you're in my ecosystem, we give it to you. If you do not use a specified, use this or you die, customer intake form, you're making mistakes. Hey, if you would like for me to help you grow your company, go to workwithshane.com, put in your information, book a 15-minute free call. We'll see you there.